How to log in to HSBC account. So if you want to log into your HSBC account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go for the search bar and search for HSBC. Once you've searched, here you will have www.hsbc.com, and here you can go for log on to online banking under that HSBC website, and it will take you to the login page. And now you can simply scroll down and wait for the page to load. Now, if you want to log into your account, then first you need to enter your username. But if you forgot your username, then you can go for forgot username so that you can recover your account. Or if you're not registered, then you can go for not registered and then you can register your account. But if you're already registered and if you want to log in, then go for log in, and then you need to enter your username. And once you enter your username, click on continue, and then it will ask you to provide a password. So you need to enter the password of your online banking, and once you enter the password and if it's correct, then it will log you into your account. So that's how you log into your HSBC bank account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.